Alright, here's another DIY, quick, do-it-yourself on how to change your blade on your lawnmower. First, make sure you got some good jack stands and a jack, safety first. This is what it looks like underneath. You have two blades. You need a 15-inch socket, a 15mm socket. Alright, just loosen, unscrew. Okay, it drops down. Make sure you don't miss the washer. Take your new blade. Make sure you put the proper side up, which usually tells you somewhere on here. But I've been doing this so much, I pretty much know. Punch a hole. It goes. See, that's a star. So you put this right back in the star, reinsert your bolt in your washer, and voila. Okay, your blade is replaced.